fall Dollar Tree haul. I am so excited. We are jumping right into this. Look at these beautiful flowers. Y'all, I got so much stuff that I had to literally come home and put it on my dining room table because one, the craft room is an absolute disaster right now. But two, look at how much stuff I got. I spent almost $100 and we're gonna jump right into it. Yes, I'm an adult. I have a glass of wine. So if you want to indulge and grab a glass of wine and sit through the haul with me, by all means, please do. I got these LED hanging Roman candles. These are going to be fantastic in my big picture window that's in the dining room for Halloween. And definitely, I mean, I honestly don't know why I couldn't use those for Christmas either, depending on if they've got like creepy lights or not. I've got a DIY idea and I grabbed several, whoopsie. I grabbed several of these wooden flowers and these kind of wooden flower shapes. And we're gonna do definitely a DIY with those. I grabbed a picture frame, that's for a DIY. Check this out. Again, there's so much stuff in here. This is not organized at all. This is a standing mirror. It's black. Obviously, you can kind of see the size here. I would say it's probably, this is a 4x6 picture frame, so it's kind of about that same size. Look how cute that is. Dollar Tree is like stepping it up. I'm kind of thinking it had been a while since I've been to Dollar Tree, and maybe that's the catch. Maybe that's what you gotta do now. I got one of these display easels. I'm in the middle of redoing my bedroom, and I'll definitely share that with you guys. I'm kind of going like Ralph Lauren inspired, and I need a couple of easels, and I didn't know which size would be best, so I also grabbed this smaller one. But super excited about that. Let's get into the fall stuff, because I know that's why you guys are here. Cute that little sign is. Now, I don't know if some of this is brand new to Dollar Tree or just like brand new to me, but I'm pretty obsessed with that. Check that out. It says, "Welcome to the pumpkin patch." These are going to be so cute in the craft room and in my home office. So I'm kind of digging these. This I know I've seen before. This Hello Fall sign. And then I've got this really cute thing. Look how cute that is. Kind of like a cappuccino. It's got the laser cut pumpkin. You've got all the, all the foamy fun stuff on top of it. I love this sign. I don't think I've seen this before. Metal. And it's got the kind of grommets here. If you hear scratching, Otis's cat tower, you can kind of see him actually right there. Odie bud. Hi, buddy. He's down there saying hi to everybody. Look at that welcome sign. How cute is that? That could be fantastic in the center of a wreath. I have a wreath that I did on my channel a couple years ago that I keep recycling because I really do love the wreath a lot. And I think I may jazz it up a little bit with that for sure, because that's a really good sign. All right, you guys, now before I show you the next project, I want to take a minute to thank today's sponsor, Copper Rewards. Now, if you're anything like me and you're always looking for little ways to stretch your budget, whether it's saving for your next trip, maybe your next DIY project, maybe it's a little shopping excursion, or you're just wanting to have a little bit of extra spending money, every little bit helps. And that's why I really like Copper Rewards. Copper Rewards is a free app that lets you earn rewards by doing things that you're probably already doing on your phone. One of the easiest ways to earn rewards here is by playing games. You'll find all kinds of games inside the app, and as you reach different milestones, you can earn rewards along the way. So, I mean, who doesn't think that that's fun in itself? Now, you can also complete offers from brands that you already know. And if you're like me and save your receipts, you can even scan eligible receipts to earn additional rewards. Now, I love that there are multiple ways to earn, so you can do whatever really works best for you. Now, one thing to know is that after you do download that app, you will want to start your first game. That's what's going to unlock the full experience inside the app. And it's also how you can claim your $10 welcome reward. Now, if this is one of those apps, where you're going to get rich overnight, is this one of those apps? Of course not. But if you're already playing games while you're relaxing in the evening or scrolling on your phone, it's a fun way to earn a little something back over time. I know for me, I take the train to work, and this is a great way to earn some rewards. So those rewards, they can really, really add up, especially if you are consistent. And I take the train 3 days a week. Now, I've been trying it out myself, and I love finding the simple ways to make my hobby budget go a little bit further. And maybe that's even for craft supplies, maybe it's holiday decor, or maybe it's your next Dollar Tree DIY haul. Now, if you'd like to check it out, I've put the link in the description box. Download Copper Rewards, start your first game to unlock the app, and don't forget, claim that $10 welcome reward. Now, let's get back to these DIYs because I've got more projects I cannot wait to show you, and I'm working on some brand new projects that I'm super, super excited about. All right, you guys, until next time, bye-bye. This I thought was super cute. Now, this is one of those kind of pom-pom kits, and it's a turkey. But I was thinking, what if you put this inside of like a charger plate or something like that as a frame? I think that could be actually really, really cute. These are little containers that I've not seen before, so these were definitely new to me. These are little overnight oats containers, and I did grab 2 of these. Of course, I grabbed them in my absolute favorite color, blue, and I really did like these. They say that they're for overnight oats. Obviously, you can use these for whatever you want. It's a 2-cup size, and I've actually made some overnight oats. I made them actually on my channel here with some Dollar Tree kind of food ideas. So that could be, maybe I'll explore those again. Y'all, look how cute these are. This looks like a little lemon. This one looks like a little orange. But guess what they are? They're actually hand creams. Now, I think the lemon probably had a stem similar to this, but this one was missing it, and it was the only lemon, so I grabbed it. And then, oh, this one has been opened by somebody, so that's kind of gross. Don't know if I'll be using that, but I'll probably take this back actually, because they did have a couple different orange ones. It's funny, I smelled the lemon one, or tried to smell it, but it was sealed like like it should be, and I didn't open it. So the orange one, yeah, I don't know about that one. Probably gonna replace that. There's already Halloween stuff coming out, and this I thought was really, really cute. It's kind of like a little glass cloche, or plastic glass cloche, and it's got a little flower in that, and it does light up, obviously. But I was thinking, for DIY purpose, how cool could this be to really create anything with it? And it's already got the light. You just kind of pluck off that plastic flower in there. And they had a couple different variations of this too, so definitely be on the lookout for those. I feel like I buy one of these almost every year, and there's different variations of them. But this is a hand soap dispenser. It looks like a skull. Super, super cute. And it's already got the hand soap in it. This is a pomegranate vanilla scent. I just thought that would be fun to just kind of, put in the bathroom and kind of zhuzh up the bathroom a little bit. Speaking of the bathroom, and, smells with Otis and pet things. I did grab some Glade pet odors. It says it is designed to fight pet odors, and it is a pet fresh scent. So that should be good. I'll check that out to make sure that it'll be okay for, Odie-Bug. I don't want him to be inhaling something that's not healthy for him. I grabbed some travel toothbrushes. I need these for just when I go out of town and I don't want to bring my big Oral-B toothbrush with me, and also for spending the night over at the boyfriend's house, and it's got these travel kind of caps and everything, so I thought that that would be good to kind of have in my kind of permanent overnight bag that I have. And then these were super cute craft kits, those felt craft kits. This is a scarecrow, and I know it's going to be hard to see there, but you can kind of see what he looks like there. And then there's a girl version of them, super, super cute. Now that I think about it, I probably should have bought like 2 of the boys, but you know, whatever. We don't judge here. This bag has all kinds of fun stuff in it. First of all, the hand sanitizer cases, they had them in black. I've not seen them in black, and I definitely wanted some black ones or some darker colored ones because I had like a pink one and a yellow one and a glittery one and a sparkly one, and I just wanted something that was just kind of normal to kind of carry in my bag. And then I grabbed some of these. They had this Palm Island Breeze. It says it's a limited edition. And then this one is a Twilight Dance scented. It kind of looks like it's a little marbled up there. I don't know what the, let's just smell it. Then I need a sip of wine. Oh, that's actually nice. It's kind of nice. It's kind of fresh and kind of Twilight Dancey. I don't know, but we'll see. Let's grab a sip of wine. I'm drinking a red, by the way. This is a Ménage à Trois is the brand. It's actually really good. It's a little sharp. It's a leftover bottle from last night, so it was a little chilly from the refrigerator. This I bought for myself because I do get headaches up here and just kind of in the front. And this is a kid's kind of cold pack, but it's kind of the perfect size for my melon. So I did want to buy that. That way I have that. These are part of the DIY that I told you I'm going to be doing with those floral petals. These are just some of these little cubes. So those are super cute. Those are going to be coming out. I loved this so much. Look at this pizza cutter, but it's shaped like an axe. How cute is that? I just thought that would be fun and silly, and if I use it one time and it breaks, so be it. More of the flower petals. I told you I got like 4 or 5 of those. This is a spatula set, and I kind of love this because it's dual-sided here. You can see it's kind of got the, I don't know what this is called, but like the half spatula, and then it's got the whole one there, and then you can kind of, you know, depending on which side you want to use. Thought that was cute. These twinkly lights, these are part of the Halloween collection. This particular one looks like they are purple, but what I liked about them is that the wires are all black, which is kind of cool. I know it's going to be hard to see there, but you can kind of see the black wire sticking out of the top there. And then this one is orange, and again, it's got the black wiring. So I was thinking with the battery packs, especially for my pumpkins outside, for the front porch when I'm doing some fall decorating, that those could actually come in really, really handy. These I'm obsessed with. These are bracelet sets. They must have been brand new because the lady at the front was like, oh my God, where did you get these? Of course, they have a zip tie closing them, but they are stackable bracelet sets. So let me just open these up so you can kind of see, because there's very, very different styles here. And at first I thought they were like all one set, but it looks like they're 3 individual bracelets. So it's a stackable bracelet set, and this one is kind of blues and blacks. You can kind of see they've got some elastic here too, and I will zoom in actually and kind of show you what these look like. But this one's got like kind of a turquoise accent with a cross detail. This is kind of a black, white, and blue with a little crystal set. These were also $1.25 each, y'all. And then this set I really did like. It's kind of like a leather, and it's got this kind of a brass, vintage brass kind of buckle. And then this kind of looks like a cork. Super, super cool. Really fun to wear, and easy to just kind of throw on if you're going out with somebody. Then I got some snacks because I'm gonna have a glass of wine. Hopefully not gonna finish all that before the end of this video. But I saw some new snacks, and so I wanted to go ahead and try them. Great Lakes Potato Chip Company. I got a Parmesan ranch style, and a Michigan cherry barbecue. Now, these were the only two flavors that I saw. So if you've seen other flavors, definitely let me know. I'm gonna try these right now. These are good. These are good. We're just gonna open this one too. The Parmesan Ranch style. So let's go ahead and just try this too. Ooh, these are good. The Parmesan Ranch is so good. This Michigan cherry barbecue, I'm typically a barbecue chip kind of person. Okay, these are good. Did you hear Otis just meow? These are really good. I'm not going to crunch in front of you guys anymore for that. But those are good. But that Parmesan Ranch, holy cow. Those are great. I did grab some of these freeze-dried kind of snacks. I grabbed the pineapple crisp. I grabbed the mixed fruit. And I grabbed the strawberry crisp because I do like to take these. One bag is one serving. And so I like to take these and kind of mix the three together and then create kind of like a little snack mix and just kind of take it to work with me. This is a Nescafe 3-in-1 caramel latte instant coffee mix. I've seen this Nescafe, it's like all the rage. And they're like all over TikTok and stuff. So I wanted to go ahead and just get this. But what I did like about this is that there are packets. So there's 5 packets inside of here. So 5 individual packets. So if you did want to like throw something like this in your work bag, you could definitely do that. Gotta grab some more wine. I think I should do shopping hauls going forward with wine. What do you guys think? Super cute though. There's, I don't know, 114 calories. There's about 11 grams of sugar. Not the best, but you know, sometimes you just need a little boost. And then this, these two things. This is some bathtub crayons. I'm totally gonna leave the boyfriend a message on his shower when I, after I shower, before I leave for the day. So I thought that would be cute. I'm gonna throw this in my overnight bag and just leave him a little message before I depart. And then M&M's popped. These are really good. These are a fun little snack to kind of take with me. I'm down 65 pounds. Look, that's the belly. What was the belly? It's about even with my chest now. And, I still kind of have things like this on occasion. And these are kind of cool. These are fun and they're crispy and you feel like you're getting more than just kind of one thing with them. But that's my haul. That's my haul. Pretty cool, right? I'm super excited about this. I do have some DIYs coming up. I feel like I've been telling you guys that forever, but I really do have some great DIYs coming up. And just been kind of reorganizing life and getting some things in order that I needed to take care of. And then obviously spending time with Don. That is my boyfriend's name. And at some point, I'm sure I will share some photos or something with you guys. But in the meantime, cheers to you. I hope that you're super happy and that things are going really well in your life. And let me know in the comments below if you indulged with me. And I will see you next time. All right, guys, cheers.